Alright guys, we're gonna be changing the coolant reservoir on the 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. I gotta change this because it's leaking right here. So you're gonna need the original. Well, I got the aftermarket. From Freightliner. Also gonna need a lot of coolant because we're not gonna be reusing. We're not gonna reuse the old coolant. You can't really see it, but there's a crack right up there. It will not hold pressure. So I think all we gotta do is take out these clamps and remove those bolts. And it should come right out. Should be easy. I'll try to show how I did it. If you're going through that right now, maybe you can do it yourself. I'll show you guys how to do it. This will be my first time, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, to remove this, you're gonna need some pliers. You're gonna need a 15 to hold this. You need a 15. And you're gonna need a 5/8. I think that's all you need. A 14 millimeter. Right? So before I get started, I like to put a little WD-40 on all the. I don't want no problem. Normally, you would go down there to drain it. You would drain it under the radiator, but I'm an owner-operator. I'm not gonna reuse the coolant, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it however I see fit. So first of all, I'm going to take this off, and the coolant is just gonna drip off. I'm just gonna do it my way. Actually, there's an easier way to do it, but I'm gonna do it my way. Alright guys, make sure you drain the coolant. After you drain it, this is the way I drain it, because I know I'm not gonna reuse the same coolant. I just take this off and drain it. I know you can go under the radiator to drain it, but that's just how I'm gonna drain it. First, I'm gonna take these off. Take these off. These are easy to take off. Just use it's hard to do it with one hand. See, just gotta press it, then just twist it. It's hard to do it with one hand. Got holding the phone. Okay, just push it a little bit. Come off. This too. Take this off and that off. Same way. It's a little twist. For the sensor, you can need a flat. You just push this right here. That's it. You push it. Yeah. You want what? Is there water on the floor? You can get some. It's clean. Sorry about that, guys. You just push that, and it should come right. Push that. I think you should be able to. My hand is slippery. Should be able to pull it right out. Okay, just push it right out, okay? And then this, you know, is what you need to take it out. I don't know if you can see it. Focus now, focus. All right. Okay. See, I already got half of it out. It's rusty. Very rusty. So make sure you spray some WD-40. Don't lose these. Then to take out this bolt right here, this one, you're going to need, focus, a 5/8. Should fit in there. So you're gonna need 2 hands for this one, because you're gonna have to put it down, put the phone down. Gonna need 2 hands because I need to hold this down. All right, I think I got everything out. I got this bolt out, that one out, that one out. This don't need to be removed. This is fine. I need to remove it from the reservoir. I moved this one. That's where I drain the coolant from. All you have to do now is make sure this, move that, pull it out, and I'm pretty sure it should come right out. Oh, wait, never mind. We got one more bolt. This one is tricky. We got one more bolt right in there that has to come out. That one is going to be tricky, but after that, it should come right out. All right, I think I got everything now. This bolt, that bolt in there, that might have been maybe the hardest one. You might need a little extender to get it out. You need an extender to get it out. This one, that one. All right, it should come right out now. There you go. Should come right out. See? I don't think it's difficult at all. I don't think you need to go spend your money at the shop to really get this done. If you're owner operator, you can do this yourself. So, yeah. This is the old one, and this is the new one. All right, now you just have to do everything you just undid. Let's see if I can put the camera. All right. See, just putting everything back. Should be easy. Just put all the bolt back together. That's it. I mean, plug the sensor back, plug this back. I I'll see if I can film it while doing it. And that's it, guys. There you go. I think one last thing left is to clip this back on there. Clip it back on there. Put the bolts back. This, put it back. That bolt. That might be a little hard to get to. That one. Clamp back. He's back. And that's it. All we need now is some coolant and to test it. I think this might be the part number right here. I got the aftermarket part. So let's see how long that lasts. But I'm no mechanic, so just the owner op trying to save some money. If I can do it, you can do it too.